Oh, sorry mate, just gonna go down and film the bridge. Just the arvo was normal. It's already over. Oh, that was a quick flood. It's the third flood this year. It's almost unbelievable. You know what, we were catching trout, saying it's going to flood. But look at this. It's just over the bridge now. I don't know how high it's going to get. Hopefully it'll drop as quick as it rose. We didn't get the severe rain here. Little collie dogs. 12, 11, 10. So we're at 9 metres. 9.4. All right, I'm at North Richmond, obviously. This time yesterday, or actually 6 o'clock last night, the river was pretty well normal level. And if you can see the orange over there, that's a plastic orange net the council put right across that bridge because they let the handrail go last flood. Give you an idea of the 3 floods. That playground last flood was underneath the water, and the flood before that I had the young fellas here swinging off the swings next to the playground, and this time we're way down there. But yeah, this was completely underwater on the second rise that we had. But a few days before that, the water was at these swings. And the kids were swinging off this. Oh, some trees coming down. Look at that. You won't be getting on the bridge today, guys. But there's a huge build up there. If this doesn't rise at a rapid rate, like stays around this, all these clumps, like there's a tree coming through right there now. Oh. And it's all coming to the same spot right over there where the build-up is. That's moving. There's a ton of it to come too. That's that new river at the Grace that we keep talking about. It's ripping more and more of those trees out. It's like evolution. Like the trout here, they're not meant to be here, so they don't have spots. Oh, here it comes. What's it gonna do? Bang, stuck up there with the rest of it. The most common question people asked me when I filmed last time was, did they take the handrail down? It was an obvious no. All filling up again. So that last tree's just built that right up. That plastic that they put this, now a giant net catching
that's why the debris.
Yeah. What a bunch of idiots. They build a timber frame and put plastic from one end to the other.
And what's the timber? Like someone could have just leant on it.
They had signs saying do not lean on a rail that's meant to hold you up.
They should have just not worried.
Oh, they're a joke.
Oh, the logic. And all the money they pay to keep someone at each end. I know.
They make us locals look stupid, but it's the government that we've run by. Because that should all roll over, but that's, I reckon it's the net that's catching it all.
Yeah, because that's worse than last time, so...
Yeah, it was all getting shredded, and then when it lifted, it rolled, but this, something's catching all that.
So they will probably cause damage now?
Yep. Yeah, this is all the Nepean. It sort of cut across towards Wollongong and then hit like Cataract, Nepean Dam, all up there.
Yeah.
So that Camden, poor old Camden's just got hammered.
Oh,
so,
yeah.
So this is all their water coming down.
Do you know how the glacier and stuff's going this morning, or?
It's over.
I think the Nepean have problems yesterday.
This was river level yesterday.
Yeah.
So there's some water coming down.
Came over and it was normal.
Yeah. Now this is Red Bank Creek here, and as you can see, there's no flood here at all. And the reason there's no flood here at all is the rain event went through Sydney, across to Wollongong, and it caught all our upper catchments. So Warragamba, which was already full, it needed to be released a lot quicker. And then we got Cataract and Nepean Dam up there as well, and Avon Dam. They're all full, and all that rain's come through there, through Camden, down the Nepean River. This is a Nepean River flood, and we've had our share of rain, but now what we've got is a backwater flood. Like you should see when I look at this creek, it should have no run, or it might not have met yet, but the water can't get out, and that means that all these paddocks will fill up again. Hopefully it'll drop as quick as it rose, but as you can see with that bridge, that was a joke. They're putting an orange plastic handrail with a timber frame across from one end to the other as a safety device to save having lollipop men at either end to stop you from going on it. When originally the fence is designed, a steel fence is designed to drop down and lay on the road. They never went and did that. It just got ripped off and taken away. Well, now they've got a net there, and I think that's doing some serious damage to our bridge. See how this is all like backing up? There's a 3-4 metre drop just there, and that drop, it's level from one side to the other, and so that water can't get out because the river's so high. That's normally, you'll see on an old flood video, that thing, a big waterfall, but that's on the right of that's 20 foot deep. So it's backing right up again, and if it keeps rising, it means these paddocks could just fill up. Yeah, this is basically Hawkesbury River water now that has got nowhere to go. I did a video just recently where you see me walk all the way down that, and it was just pure sewage. So it'll be pure sewage again when this is all finished. Oh well, let's move on. It's 10.1, so it's gone up nearly a metre today. Hey, catch any?
Hey guys,
Good.
shaking. Not a bite, not a bite.
Nah,
How you guys doing?
getting cold, eh? The water
Yeah, it's getting there.
pushing everything out. Oh, look it out. It went up about 8 metres in a couple of hours, and I come down this morning.
Yep.
It was 9.4.
Okay, what's in it now? 10.1.
10.1, yeah.
Jeez,
So it's sort of, and it's still rising.
Yeah, I've noticed none of the trees are wet, so it's still on its way up.
But I went down around Windsor, down the breakaway and terraces, man. You want to go down there and check it out.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
It's nuts, is it?
It's nuts. Absolutely nuts.
Man.